Hey, this is Ross from Car Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're in Wesley Chapel and we're starting this two-part project. This is part one, 1,200 square foot. So we're going to start grinding in a few minutes. This is, like I said, first part of a two-part job. This is 1,200 square feet. We're going to fill these control lines. It's going to give us a seamless surface. And then over here, we're going to start the second part, which is going to be a two-car garage. It's actually a little oversized. It's 500 square foot. So we're going to be working these both at the same time. Again, we're going to put a baseboard in this garage as well. Some rough stuff in here that we'll take care of. Pretty far for the course, but everything looks pretty good shape. So we're going to start cutting these floors in just a few minutes. Okay, so here we are in the larger part of the project. This is a 1,200 square foot garage. You can see the grind prep and repairs are done. We're getting ready for our pour. We have our pour set up. Right now, Lauren is over in the two-car spreading epoxy. It's a really good grind on this floor. Nice profile. Nice and open. So this stuff is really grabbing onto the epoxy over in the other unit. So I'm going to go over there and check on her now because I got to help her with the chips in just a second. But I figured I'd give me a second to do the video. And then tomorrow we're going to finish this up. So this segment shows how the epoxy is distributed. It's a two-step process. So first step is you do a rough layout with a rake. Get the epoxy as even as possible. And then this is going to come back and be re-rolled with an 18-inch roller. Here's what the blend is. Creekbed, really good match for the house. And here's the second distribution. So this is a quick rollover and then it'll be rolled final. And we're using tan epoxy for a tan style chip. And as you can see, we have the baseboards already epoxied in. We did the trim before we did the roll. And we're going to hit those baseboards one more time. And there's the color of the house. So you can see we got a really good match here. Okay, our project is complete. Looks really good. Great looking job. This was a full diamond grinding, small repairs. Here's what the optional baseboard finish looks like. This really just finishes in the garage really nice. Gives the floor a more finished, installed look. So we did fill the cut lines, and there's a twofold reason why we do that. First is just it's a better looking floor, it's seamless, so aesthetically it's more pleasing. And the second thing about that is those cut lines will not accumulate dirt. So your garage is easier to clean and maintain and keep it looking this nice. This is a UV stable polyaspartic top coat. Very durable, offers a lot of protection for the floor. Just another detail of the baseboard finish on that side door. This color blend is Creekbed. We're going to get a good look at that now. This is a really nice looking blend. A lot of diversity in the blend itself. This was a perfect match for this house. Really went well. See how good that looks. There's some details again with the baseboard and the door rails. You can see how nice that's finished in. Some more baseboard, some more details. The apron was cleaned up the edge. This flowed right into the driveway, so we just flowed the chips right out. The results are beautiful. Great looking job. The 1,200 square foot space is next. Okay, our project is complete. Beautiful results. Really nice looking floor. And a perfect color match to the house too. It's going to look really good. Customers seen the floor, they're very happy with it. Here's a repair that we did in the doorway, removed the trip hazard. That was feathered in, looks good, it's not going to collect dirt in there. So we did fill the cut lines, and this is why we fill the cut lines. It's just a seamless floor, it's a much nicer looking floor. And the other benefit to that is that it does not collect dirt. See that top coat in the sun looks really good. We couldn't keep the doors open because the doors were malfunctioning, so that's why we don't have a lot of light in here right now. This color is Creekbed. Really good look at it, in and out of the sun. Very nice looking color, it's very diverse. And again, this was a really nice match for the whole house. Another look at the baseboard finish. Some details around the door rails along with the baseboard finish. You can see how nice that finish is in. We went out onto the apron. Again, I can't show that because of the closed doors. This is a UV stable polyaspartic top coat. It's very durable. Some more details with the baseboard and the rails and the aprons. We were referred for this job by the builder. The PM called us. So he had seen our work somewhere, and he referred us to the homeowners that they're building the house for. So he had us come on out. Homeowner was very happy. Some more details around that other doorway. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
Pro Tech Epoxy Floors, Newport, Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. Pro Tech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough, and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.